Top 5 Best Electric Smokers. Number 5. Char-Broil Analog Electric Smoker. Char-Broil's analog electric smoker proves that sometimes simple really is better. Forget finicky digital panels. This one uses straightforward analog controls that heat quickly and hold steady, keeping ribs, brisket, or even corn on the cob at that sweet spot of 225 to 240 degrees. 3 chrome racks and a roomy interior give space for a weekend feast, while double-walled insulation keeps heat consistent and the outside safe to touch. The design feels practical. Dual latches for a firm seal, sturdy handles for moving, and a cord you can tuck inside so rain doesn't ruin the controls. Cleanup is easier than expected thanks to flat surfaces and accessible trays, and with a little foil and oil on the racks, it's nearly effortless. Performance is where it shines. Chicken thighs stay juicy, lamb roasts turn out tender, and even vegetables come out smoky and bright. It's versatile enough that some users add cold smoke kits for cheese or pasta. Yes, it's heavy at 50 pounds, and yes, the temptation to cook every weekend is real, but at this price point, it feels like stealing. A no-nonsense smoker that works every time, reliable, sturdy, and addictive in the best way. Coming in number 4. Cuisinart 30-inch Electric Smoker. The Cuisinart 30-inch electric smoker feels like a workhorse dressed in stainless steel. With 548 square inches of cooking space, 3 chrome racks, and a heat range from 100 degree F to 400 degree F, it's built to handle everything from brisket to vegetables without fuss. The analog dial keeps things simple, avoiding the all-too-common failures of digital panels when rain or humidity strike. Assembly is refreshingly easy, 15 minutes, and a handful of screws versus the hours required by some competitors. The smoker holds temperature steady, heating to 400 degree F in about 15 minutes, and once dialed in around 250 degree hours, it smokes like clockwork. Wood chip and water trays slide in cleanly, and cleanup is straightforward, especially if foil pans are used. Performance wins the day. Brisket stays tender, chicken smoky and juicy, even bread can be baked at high temps. Some smoke may escape from seams, but the flavor payoff more than makes up for it. Sturdy legs, good insulation, and reliable latches make it feel solid for long-term use. Customer service may be a maze, but when it works, or when Amazon steps in, the product itself shines. For anyone wary of fragile digital smokers, this analog model is a dependable, flavorful choice. Coming in number 3. East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch Electric Smoker. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker is built for long, worry-free sessions that deliver flavor without constant tinkering. With a massive 725 square inches of cooking space, 3 chrome racks, and a side chip loader, it handles ribs, salmon, or whole birds while keeping heat steady and smoke flowing. The real perk is the built-in meat probe. Press a button and get instant updates without opening the door or drying food out. Once meat hits target temperature, the smoker automatically switches to keep warm mode, a small but brilliant detail. Assembly is straightforward, packaging is sturdy, and the elevated stand saves knees and backs during all-day cooks. Temperature control is sharp, usually overshooting by only a few degrees, and while the smoke output is lighter than a charcoal rig, it's clean, steady, and far easier to manage. The glass door adds visibility, the drip tray simplifies sides, a 12-hour max timer, no auto-resume after power loss, and a probe without an alarm. Still, compared to budget smokers, this one feels like a serious upgrade. Reliable, ergonomic, and backed by Number 2. Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Vertical Barbecue Smoker. The Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Vertical Smoker is designed for those who want big barbecue flavor without babysitting a firebox all day. With 710 square inches of cooking space across 4 chrome racks, it can handle up to 7 chickens or a couple of turkeys at once. Plenty for family feasts. The digital controls make it simple to set time and temperature, and the patented side wood chip loader adds smoke without opening the door or losing heat. Performance is steady. It heats quickly, holds temps even in cold weather, and delivers plenty of smoke flavor without constant chip refills. The removable water bowl adds moisture, while the grease tray makes cleanup straightforward. Some buyers note that the glass window fogs with smoke and condensation, but the results on the plate more than make up for it. Assembly is easy. though adding side handles would help with moving it around. Convenience and quality. For those stepping away from offset pits, it's an affordable, reliable way to bring smoked brisket, ribs, and coming in number 1. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker for outdoors. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker makes outdoor smoking easy, consistent, and thanks to some thoughtful design, pleasantly stress-free. With 725 square inches of cooking space and long-lasting chip loads, it delivers 6 times the smoke per refill, letting briskets, ribs, and turkeys roll low and slow without constant interruptions. The built-in meat probe is a standout. It tracks temperature in real time, then switches to keep warm mode when the target is hit, sparing food from drying out and cooks from guesswork. Assembly is simple, packaging secure, and optional legs or wheels make it comfortable to use without crouching. The side chip loader works smoothly, keeping heat steady, and the drip pan system keeps cleanup manageable. The smoker does run a touch hot, and generating smoke below 240 degrees Fahrenheit can be tricky, but results remain flavorful with a little practice. Where East Oak really wins is customer service. From dented doors to chipped trays or even full replacements, the team responds quickly, communicates clearly, and often goes above and beyond, sometimes sending a brand new unit at their own cost. In a market where support is often an afterthought, this smoker pairs dependable performance with rare, standout service. A worthy upgrade for anyone serious about backyard smoking.